Welcome to Stay Creative Studio. In this series of videos, we will be covering beginner's guide on creating a website in Squarespace. So let's get started. Squarespace is a great website builder out there. It's really easy to use and has many templates already built in with it. And if you don't like the template, you can design your own website from the scratch. That is the biggest plus of Squarespace. Again, another thing is, if we can see here, there are around more than 25-30 templates already we have seen here. So the biggest plus of the Squarespace, the latest version, is from this template you can build this, or you can build this, or you can change from one template to another. That is the biggest plus point of the Squarespace. So let's get started with the creating first website on a Squarespace. For that, we have to create our account. So in order to create our first website, we have to create our account. So I'm already logged into my account. So once you are logged into account, then you will be redirected to this dashboard where you have to press the create website button. That will redirect to another page. Here you can choose your pre-made templates if you want to continue with the templates, or else if you want to create your own website, then click on build your own template. Then the next step is create site. Click on the create site button here, and it will take a bit time on loading that. And again, next is setting up the site. So here you can give your website title here. So let's say, for example, I want to create a website for Sri Creative Studio. So let's say I'll name it as a Sri Studio. First website, you can change this later. Then you can choose the design language of the website. It can be professional, playful, sophisticated, or a friendly, or a quick key, or innovative. This is just a design language. You can change it later, and click on the next button. Then choose next section is choosing the home page, where which are the sections we need in our website, and I mean in home page. So you have to select at least one section here, but it is completely changed later. So it's like, if you want few more section, you can add it later or delete it later. So I'll choose in two section, intro section and about section, and click on the next. Then select the pages which are required in your website. Again, here also you can add or remove pages at later section. We will covering it later in this video. So I'll choose about contact services 3 pages and click on the next. Then I'll choose the, we have to choose the color palette for our website. Again, this is also can be changed at the later stage. It is like a pre-made template which are given by Squarespace. You can use it, or I'll choose with the default one. So next is the font family, or font we can choose here. So I'll go with the Roboto, then finish. It will take some time here loading. We'll redirect to another loading screen, where you have to give few more information before getting started with your design. So again, it is asking your website title. You can give a title here, or it's already there if you, since we have given in the first step. And if you want to change it, you can change it here. Then again, click on the next. Some tutorials it is showing here. Then click on the get started, and this is how you create your first website on a Squarespace. It's that much easy. Just within 3-4 minutes we already created a website on a Squarespace. If we have created our website, then we will come to this page. This is basically a Squarespace editor. I mean website editor. So this website is divided in editor is divided into two parts. One is the actual editor, another one is the menu section. The left side is menu section and the right side is the editor. This editor is used to design our website, for example adding images, shapes or color changing and all done with this section, and also responsive design can be done using uh, this mobile section here. So on the left side in the menu where you can configure your website, uh, like for example pages, styles, assets, products and services, content and membership, donation, scheduling and all managed by this configuration sector. This is basically backend service. This is we can say like the design which can be seen by the end user or customer or users of your website, and this part is managing the content of this part. So for example this is I mean PC or a laptop website design, and if you press this button mobile view is there, then it will convert responsive and mobile design you can adjust here. Then there is a style section in the editor where you can manage your style of the website, for example color, fonts, buttons, forms and all, form shape, button shape and theme palette, then font family and all we can change using this styling section. There is a preview section button is, if you press that you can preview your website. So the menu section contains website section, um, website page, under the website pages, styles and assets. Pages is where we will be managing the pages, like creating a new page or deleting a page, then renaming the page, then navigation and all adjusted through this uh, pages section. Then there is styles section we already discussed with this style section, same thing. Then there is a asset section where images, uh, videos and all stored in your website, like the images and the videos that are used in your website will be stored in the asset section. Then there is a products and service section where if you are selling physical product or a digital product, then that are managed through this products and service section. Then invoicing for billing and all managed through this invoicing section. Then content and membership section is for the course creator and bloggers and all. For bloggers the content management are done through this content and membership section. Next is donation section. Let's say if your website is about fundraising program, or your website is crowdfunding, then this section is used to manage fundraising or a crowdfunding and all managed through this section. Then there is a scheduling section for scheduling, like say for example meeting scheduling and all done through this scheduling section. Then finance, marketing and contacts are managing your websites. Then analytics is a useful section which gives the real time data about your website, like traffic sources or then geography and all will be data given in this section. Then there is a setting section. This section is really useful to manage your settings of your website, like for example domain management, then billing and all done through this setting section. We will be covering this in detail in upcoming videos. So in the next video we will be covering about creating pages, uh, creating pages or in deleting pages, moving pages, then adding images and all will be covered in the next video. And thank you for watching the video, and if you like the video hit a thumbs up, and if you want more content from us please subscribe us.